I felt it. Hi again, this is Karen Colville Canadian Artist, and again, other than the construction that's going way off in the background, this is a beautiful spot. So I'm on the Salmon Trail here on Bowen Island, and it's called the Hatchery Trail. So this is where they make little salmons here, and salmon does really well. It comes with clean water, and when you have clean water, you have salmon. So I'm taking a moment to pause here on the Hatchery Trail, and isn't this stunning? This old, massive old cedar tree with its trunk hollowed out. So I don't know exactly why that the trunk is hollowed out. Like somebody could go and stand in there and that make an awesome concert. Let's check this out for a second. Wowee. Hello, big tree. Okay. Wow. So yeah, this is really trippy. Look at this. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's really cool. And these big old cedars, like they're very wide. And this is a part of the old growth forest that we're doing our best to preserve. And this has, because this gives us so much oxygen and, you know, replenishes carbon. We don't need a carbon tax. We just need the carbon replenished to be part of our eco and biosystems. So yeah, I just wanted to see this old growth, beautiful old growth forest, in which I